So guys, the crypto markets are in a whole bunch of shenanigans right now, from Trump arguing with Zelensky, tariffs being thrown out, headlines getting retracted, price action not looking good, indicators going everywhere, and we've been keeping up with it on this YouTube channel, dropping the day-to-day events, price action, news, my new ventures, and everything else in between. And I hope you guys are pretty much staying up to date, because right now, guys, it's pretty much the calm before the storm. Many people have said this before, but right now is pretty much the, last huge capitulation right before we start to see crazy price action based off of trend lines, specific indicators. And if you didn't watch yesterday's video, go watch yesterday's video. I talk about exactly what you need to be focusing on with the price action around Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, USDT dominance, how the stock markets are looking, these tariffs and the news events, and how everything's having an effect, Trump with the crypto reserve, everything else in between. But guys, right now is going to be a different video, just to let you guys know that right now there's a lot of mixed sentiment. Everyone has been anticipating this crypto bull run happening in 2025. Ever since 2023, we've been keeping up with the price action around specific key assets, the news events, and how everything has an effect. And right now we're seeing a whole bunch of stuff being thrown everywhere. There's a lot of different mixed sentiment around how crypto is going to be looking in the next few weeks, next few months, based off of exactly how the United States, president is talking about crypto, how price action is looking, and exactly how crypto investors and crypto analysts are deeming predictions for the crypto markets. Right now, everything is, on the verge of looking dead. And we have seen this in multiple cycles. I talked about it yesterday. And usually once we see, this mass hysteria, we usually start to see some crazy price action return back into the markets. But keeping up with price action around specific assets and the news events and exactly how everything moves really lets you know exactly where we're going to be heading. There's a lot of uncertainty where we're going to be heading in the next few weeks, just pretty much because everyone is teeter-tottering back and forth as to what they believe is going to be happening. I, of course, still believe we're going to be seeing a huge crypto bull run. Altcoin season going to be happening. More than likely going to be seeing a start of that at the end of March. That is my predictions. Talked about it on multiple other videos, but like how I said, today's video is a little bit different. I want to be straightforward with you guys. No one truly knows what is going to be happening. At the end of the day, all we can do is keep up with the price action, the sentiment, the news events, liquidity ejections, and at the end of the day, base it off of previous cycles. Right now, there's a lot of different things going on that could really point to the fact that everything is dead. There's a lot of other different things that are pointing to the fact that we're just getting started. And this is where you have to really separate yourself from all of the perspectives and all of the narratives and everything that hits you on crypto Twitter and anywhere else that you get information and feed. On this YouTube channel, I strive to do everything different in the crypto space. I shoot day-to-day videos, keeping you guys updated with the price action, how sentiment shifts, when I make mistakes, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, everything else in between, just so you can understand exactly this, whole crypto space and the wild navigation that you kind of got to have in order to properly navigate everything. And right now, guys, like I said, today's a different video. I'm not going to be throwing out charts and price action. Go watch yesterday's video. I gave you all that information then. Right now, a lot of people are getting tired of the markets. A lot of people are just waiting for that next leg up. And lately, we've been seeing some really good price action and then horrible price action. And right now, you really need to be keeping up with key assets in the price action to really determine where we're going to be going in the next few weeks. Making this video, honestly, guys, is a little bit exhausting and a little daunting to a lot of crypto influencers, crypto investors and crypto traders. At the end of the day, we're all just trying to get the information that we need to keep navigating the space. But whenever there's times of uncertainty, that's whenever it separates the weak hands from the strong hands. The people that keep on navigating the space, compare price action, look for key assets, invest in those assets, and wait for liquidity to move back into our assets. At the end of the day, guys, history doesn't repeat, it rhymes. We say that multiple times on this YouTube channel because multiple people wait for specific things to happen in specific time frames, when at the end of the day, that's just not how the markets work. And validation happens all the time. Validation happens all the time. And as a result, we truly do not know when everything is just going to be ripping off exponentially. It is forecasted to be happening more than likely in the middle of March, ending March, whenever we start to see more liquidity injections from the FOMC, as well as big key events with a lot of key assets, mainly around altcoins and everything like that. And the price action hopefully returning back into Ethereum and Bitcoin. But overall, guys, with all that being said, today's video is just to let you know that right now is the time to lock in. There's a lot of different sentiment, people throwing videos telling you need to buy this coin. It's the end of the crypto land. It's the start of the crypto land. It's this, it's that, it's this. It's a new narrative every single day, and keeping up with the price action around key assets and the perspectives is really going to let you know how you can decipher all the FUD from the real information. And I plan to do that on this YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey since the beginning of 2023, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the day-to-day events, price action around Bitcoin and altcoins, and overall my new ventures when I'm buying altcoins, selling altcoins, and everything else in between. Like I said, everything is trading sideways, pumping up and down, mixed sentiments going up and down, new headlines, then retracted headlines. We have countries fighting with each other. We're on the cusp of World War III. We have tariffs getting thrown out left and right. We have retaliatory tariffs as well. We have all different types of stuff going on, guys. So with all of this news events going on, the price action in the markets, how the stock markets are looking, there's all different types of perspectives as to whether we're dead or if we're just getting started. And the whole point of this YouTube video is to let you know that we have been experiencing this for the past year and a half. So I plan to keep on sharing the perspectives and everything that you need to know. And it's exhausting seeing all these different perspectives, but that's the reason why I'm shooting this YouTube video. I know a lot of y'all are exhausted waiting for the price action. The few of y'all that are still waiting for altcoins to rip up, and I'm sure you're going to be rewarded graciously. But keeping up with these key assets, the news events, and everything else is really going to let you know exactly when more than likely everything is going to be occurring. But I do not want to sound like a broken record. That is currently my perspective on the markets. And like I said, I'm going to keep you guys updated with actual key assets, indicators, news events, and everything that you need to know. Today, I wanted to just rant and be real with y'all and let you guys know that the crypto space is wild, especially with all these news events and FUD going around. Keep up with key assets. Eliminate everything else and just understand how liquidity moves. If you can understand how the money flow happens, you can just throw everything else out the window. But new to the channel, drop me a comment, like, subscribe, check out the rest of my content, and also go watch yesterday's video to have an understanding of key assets, key indicators, what we're really looking at in terms of price action and when altcoins can get the liquidity that they need. Like I said, I drop day-to-day content, so stay tuned. I'm going to keep you guys updated with everything you need to know. Everything you need to know. Do not capitulate your bags. You made it this far. So just wait until the final stretch. We're already there. Like how I said, lock in, and I'll keep you guys updated with everything you need to know. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.